Hey there, your go-to spot for easy DIY plumbing and home repair tips. Today, we're fixing a super common issue, a loose or broken toilet flush handle. I'll walk you through how to replace it step by step. It's quick, easy, and something anyone can do at home. Step 1. Shut off the water supply. Before starting, turn the shut-off valve clockwise to stop the water from flowing into the toilet tank. Then flush the toilet to drain out most of the water. We want the tank as empty and dry as possible before removing any parts. Step 2. Remove the old handle. Open the tank lid and take a look inside. You'll see the flush handle arm connected to the flapper chain. Unclip that chain and make note of which hole is attached to. Most often it's the middle hole. Next, use your wrench or hand to unscrew the retaining nut that holds the handle in place. It's a reverse thread, so turn it clockwise to loosen it. Once it's free, pull the old handle and lever out. Step 3. Install the new handle. Now, grab your new handle kit. Insert the lever to the hole in the tank. Then thread the nut on from the inside. Remember, this time, tighten counterclockwise. You want it snug, but not overly tight. Make sure the handle sits level and moves smoothly. Step 4. Reconnect the chain. Now, reattach the flapper chain to the same hole you noted earlier. Leave just a bit of slack. Not too tight or the flapper won't seal. Not too loose or it won't lift properly. Test the handle movement to make sure it opens and closes the flapper easily. Step 5. Check the flapper and water level. Before we restore the water, check that flapper seal for wear or cracks. If it's in good shape, great. If not, you might need to replace it soon. Everything looks good here, so let's move on. Step 6. Turn the water back on. Turn the shut-off valve counterclockwise to let the tank fill back up. Watch as the water rises. It should stop right at the fill line inside the tank. Give the handle a few test flushes. Smooth operation, solid performance. No leaks. Perfect. Direct hit final check. Inspect around the handle and under the tank for any leaks. If everything's dry, you're officially done. Your toilet handle replacement is a success. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss future plumbing tutorials. Next up, we'll show you how to replace a toilet flapper to fix leaks and improve flush power, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.